If you sleep listening to this tonight, in 7 nights you'll wake up with a mind that feels cleaner, calmer, and reprogrammed for prosperity. I'm going to guide you, step by step, to replace old patterns with a new mental mode built for direction, discipline, and results. Before we begin, lie down, set the volume comfortable. If you're driving or doing anything that needs full attention, pause now and come back later. Here's the rule. You don't have to force anything. Just listen, allow, and repeat inside, because the mind learns through repetition, and the subconscious responds to what you accept, with emotion and consistency. Breathe in through your nose, slowly. Hold 1 second and exhale long. Again, inhale and exhale. Feel your shoulders drop, your forehead soften, your jaw release. Now imagine your body getting heavy, as if the bed is pulling you into deep rest, and your mind, finally, stops fighting and starts obeying. Tonight you're making an agreement with yourself. 7 nights. No negotiating with the old version. You simply sleep listening, and tomorrow you take 1 small step, 1 step per day, because prosperity compounds. And your brain loves routine, it loves order, it loves direction. And here's a classic principle taught by the great voices of success. When you choose a clear goal and feed it daily, your mind starts filtering the world and seeing opportunities where it used to see excuses. That's how prosperity mode is born. Hold this in your heart. Scripture says, "Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." Romans 12:2. Renewing your mind is changing the pattern, and changing the pattern changes your life. So tonight, you're not only sleeping, you are programming. Repeat inside, slowly. I don't chase, I build, I don't beg, I decide, I don't drift. I focus, I don't start and stop, I finish, I don't return to chaos, I choose order. Let it sink in, like each sentence is a stamp on your subconscious, a stamp of identity. Now picture a line, a firm, straight, golden line in front of you. That line is your path, and everything that doesn't serve you stays behind. Repeat, my life has direction, my mind has direction, my money has direction, my career has direction, my habits have direction. I wake up and I know what to do. I move before anxiety. I advance before doubt. Prosperity isn't luck. Prosperity is a pattern, and a pattern is repetition. Repeat, I do the simple things every day. I do what needs to be done, even without motivation. I am consistent. I am predictable in what is good. I am loyal to my purpose. Tomorrow, I begin the day with a small win. 1 task completed, 1 decision executed, 1 step forward. Now your mind will create images, not metaphors, real images of real achievements. See yourself opening your bank app, and the balance higher than you expected. See a notification confirming a payment. See a contract signed. See the key of a home in your hand. See the approval for the car you want. See your family peaceful. Bills paid, food on the table, a light mind, a safe heart. Feel it as if it's already yours. Because the subconscious responds to emotional reality, and when you feel it, it obeys. Repeat, I deserve to prosper without guilt. I deserve to grow without fear. I deserve to receive without sabotage. I deserve to win in life. And if an old thought shows up, saying it won't happen, you answer calmly. I don't argue with the old mind. I reprogram. I choose again. I move forward. Now imagine you're closing doors. Doors of distraction, doors of procrastination, doors of comparison, doors of emotional sabotage, and in their place you open 1 door, the door of focus, the door of clean work, the door of discipline, and the door of prosperity. Repeat, I cut the excess, I choose the essential, I prioritize, I simplify, I execute. Money loves clarity. Money loves direction. Money loves management. Repeat. I treat money with respect. I organize. I plan. I invest in myself. I buy with intention. I increase my income. I multiply my skills. I become more valuable every week. And every time I receive, I don't waste. I direct. I build. I protect my future. Repeat. I attract opportunities because I'm ready. I'm punctual. I'm reliable. I deliver more than I promise. I improve 1% per day. I learn fast. I adapt. I grow. And when an opportunity appears, I don't freeze. I act. When a door opens, I walk through with honor, with courage, and with gratitude. Now receive this like a cover over your night. Scripture says, "In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety." Psalm 4:8. You don't have to carry the world right now. You only have to rest, because a rested mind thinks better, decides better, and prospers better. From today, for 7 nights, you come back here, and each night becomes a seal of reprogramming. Night 1, I choose order. Night 2, I choose focus. Night 3, I choose consistency. Night 4, I choose prosperity. Night 5, I choose discipline. Night 6, I choose courage. Night 7, I choose a new pattern for good. And at the end of these 7 nights, you'll notice some things no longer control you. Some distractions lose their power, and your mind feels cleaner, stronger, more. Ready? Now I'll speak slower, and you just follow inside until you fall asleep. I am calm. I am strong. I am focused. I am consistent. I am prosperous. I am disciplined. I am guided by God. I have direction. I have vision. I have control. I prosper with balance. I prosper with honor. I prosper with wisdom. I prosper by serving and growing. My mind works in my favor. My subconscious accepts the new pattern. My life comes into order. My decisions become clearer. My path opens. When you wake, a big comment, "I will prosper," or "I will win in life," that seals the commitment. And at the end, share this with 7 people you truly feel need this message and deserve to prosper. Now, sleep. Let your mind absorb. Let your body shut down. And tomorrow, you begin with one real step, and everything starts to change. Breathe, long pause, leaving space for sleep.